In this video, I'm going to be showing you Kling AI fixes and how you can solve different AI video generator problems. So let's just begin. So on your screen, as you can see, we have Kling AI in front of us, and you can access it using the link in the description of this video as well. So a lot of time while you're using Kling AI, you're going to be making sure that the servers aren't overloaded, and you can do that by using in a different set of times in a day. So what you also can do is check out your Wi-Fi that it is working perfectly fine. So you can head over to your Wi-Fi settings and check if everything is working properly or not. And yeah, so you can see we got the 5G network and everything, so it looks good. Now the perfect internet connection is going to be helping you to make it work perfectly fine. So if you have any other issues, like for example maybe you're out of credits or you are not able to, let's just say, access any type of feature, you can go that go to that feature using the options on the left side. You can see once you scroll you will be able to see some hidden features. So you can see these are usually not displayed. So you can simply scroll down, you can see if you have image, video, sound, image editing, and some others. So basically these are some of the um, tips that you can utilize to get it done. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.